Hey guys, welcome back. So it's Zero Day once again. About to dive into episode number 6, The Sound of Change. So in the previous episode, the morning of our promise is still distant. He found himself reliving the day. He died mysteriously in his sleep the night before and everything was reset. His wounds were healed, so he had to kind of do everything again because at the end of the day, he made a date with Amelia. And he wanted to do everything exactly the way he did it the day before so he could get to that point again. So he's got that date lined up for Amelia for the next day and he's gone to his room, but he's refusing to sleep because something happened. He's not sure what, so he's going to stay awake. But he does fall asleep for a little bit. Next thing he knows, he's waking up feeling sick. He's vomiting. He's staggering through the mansion, not feeling well. Then suddenly he's attacked out of the blue by somebody dragging chains, and he's murdered brutally. So he's died again. So it means he's going to reset. And that's going to be the ongoing mystery for a couple episodes, I'd imagine, trying to figure out who's trying to kill him. We don't know who the perp is because there's only a small cast of characters at the moment. We've got the twins. We've got Beatrice, we've got the Lord of the Manor, and we've got Amelia. So I don't know if it's going to be one of those guys. It would suck if it was Amelia. I don't think it's going to be Amelia, and I don't think it's going to be the twins, and I don't think it's going to be Betty. So it just leaves one suspect. So I have no clue. Like I said, this is my first time watching it. This is probably your second or third time, probably, if you really love the show. Okay, let's just dive in. 3, 2, 1, go. Timer reaction and all that stuff. Patreon, exclusives, early release. You know the drill by now, right? Let's do this. The Sound of Change. So this means we're going to get his death again. So he's reset. Yep, he's freaking out because that was vicious. He got his arm chopped off, right? It's back. Yeah, it was removed. They're like, what the hell? They're scared now. Let's do it all again. It's the same day as yesterday. This is interesting, man. I love the concept. Like Groundhog Day is one of my favorite films, and the fact we're set in a fantasy world. We've got a mystery. We've got some amazing characters. Awesome soundtrack. This is coming together nicely. So I want to see more of Elsa, Felt, Old Man Rom. I'm sure they'll come back in some way. I mean, they're in the opening. So the Sound of Change. Who's killing him? And why? Unless Elsa's followed them back. Or Reinhard is roid raging. I've got no clue. I'm just guessing and being silly. Oh, it could be Puck. I forgot about Puck. Nah. Oh, it could be. That'd be like a big switcheroo. You wouldn't see that coming, would you? That'd be a blindside. Puck, the cute fairy kitty, is also a psychopathic murderer. All the other characters are female. He's living out his fantasies. What if he's just like still in the convenience store and he just fell over and bumped his head and he's just dreaming this and just wakes up in hospital? It's a chance. I love how he calls the reset day the save point. His third day. His first day. Yeah, he was butchered. My arm. Yeah, is there a mysterious person we don't know? And is Betty still going to remember him? What is she doing revolving in the corner? Oh, he's spinning around. That was weird. So she remembers. How? I like her. She's cool. She means you, sucker. Big ones. Shit, eh? Uh-huh, penny dropped. Oh, oh. She did the thing again. I'm fine. Oh, yuck. You're covered in shit. Yeah, he's lucky it was there. Amelia Tan. Oh, he comes out of the jewel. I feel like I should have known that. Okay. Is that the first time we've seen that? He's covered in shit and he stinks. Oh, he's in a washing machine. You spun dry as well? This show's funny. Oh, don't be cruel to Puck. Punchbacks. Tail punch. Paw pad. He's fighting a kitty. that was cute. Oh, smooth. A pet name. Okay. Things are happening differently, man. Oh. Oh. She's easy to please. Oh no. A dirty old wash rag. Roswaal summer. The Lord. Hope he keeps his Twinkie away this time. Is he the killer? It seems like an obvious choice though. He wants to work here. He can't change things. Oh, he has changed things. I just want to stay as a guest. Yeah, if he's just a house guest, he's not going to be able to get close to them, right? Redoing the whole patch? Now they won't even talk to him. He won't get to be fitted for a new suit. But he's using his time to explore, right? He's going to try and investigate. I love his little hat. Unless somebody turns into a monster in the nighttime. You're a guest. We are not friendly. Oh, see, this day's gonna suck. And if you survive this one, it's all gonna be different, not quite what you want. So she's still the only one that remembers his other visits. Of course it could be magic. It doesn't necessarily have to be poison. A curse. Magicians. Poison. Oh. He's getting his mana sucked out too much. Mana sucking thing. Bobby. Oh, that sucks. So she knows that he's dying. Silly girl. Oh. So she's the healer. Uh-oh. Oh. Is he covered in shit again? Twice. Curse and chains. Freeloader. Well, he's got nowhere else to go, really. She's sitting down and drinking her tea with him. That's nice. Don't be a dick. The red ogre who cried? That's what I said. Who's that? I don't know that one. Is that real? We're gonna get it. Oh, I see what he's doing here. Beautiful artwork. Oh. Sayonara. That's sad. The end. That is a sad story. Everyone's stupid? Why? What's your reasoning? Break off your own horns. The blue one. Okay. Both. Ah, stop it. Stop it, Subaru. I love that he's learning to read the language. It's so cool. It's a true story. We got dragons. Do we need to go there at one point? The witch story, man. Satella? The witch is a scary thing. Is it? Oh, I was going to say, is it Elsa? But no, it's not. It must be somebody else. A terrifying witch. The jealous witch. So I've got a theory forming in my head that Amelia might be two people. I could be wrong. I'm just thinking out there. And she says she's half elf. What's the other half? So he's going to go see the dragon. Oh. Hopelessly bad. You're good at cleaning toilets. Hey. And off he goes. He's going on a journey. At least he's not going to get murdered tonight. So he's not visiting the dragon, he's gonna wait and see who attacks. I was talking when I was supposed to be reading the subtitles. It happens sometimes. Not again. So is somebody actively trying to kill them though, or was it just him? Beatrice remembers. Am I right? She's remembering. Oh, he's gonna fall asleep again. Oh, shit. Oh fuck, somebody's attacking him up here. That would have broke your back. What is it? Who's coming? There's got to be a reveal. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, it is one of the girls. No, it's Beatrice. No, it's Remran. Rem. She's the blue ogre. The sound of chains. So Rem's trying to kill him, but we don't know why she wants to do that. I mean, they both seem very nice and sweet. So when I was kind of like trying to guess who the killer was, I kind of like mentioned them, but I thought, no, it's got to be the Lord guy. But no, she's dangerous. And I thought it was Beatrice for a second as well. I thought I saw the pigtails, but wrong. So interesting. So why is she trying to kill him? And is she trying to kill everyone else as well, or just him? Interesting. The mystery deepens. So I could try and guess what's going to happen in the next episode, but I won't, because I don't know. There's going to be a fight. He could die again, or Amelia might come to his rescue. Puck's going to be asleep because he doesn't come out at night time, or the other twin will come, or he's going to die and the day's going to reset, and then he can just start harassing her from the beginning. Interesting. I like this show, man. It's very cool. Anyway, guys, I'm going to check out the next one, so I'll catch you next week. Thanks for watching.